Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 WhatsApp auto notification plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the admin to offer customers the functionality to get notified through WhatsApp. The customers will receive a message for the order confirmation and order status update on their WhatsApp number. So all in all, this particular plugin helps the customers to receive a notification on WhatsApp number for their order confirmation. The shoppers will also get notified of the order status update like cancel, hold, pending and complete. The admin has to enter the phone number ID and the token to configure the module. The token and the phone number ID will be generated through the Meta developer's account. So in today's video tutorial for the Magento 2 WhatsApp auto notification plugin, I'll be taking you through the workflow and the customers and how on the order place the WhatsApp notification is received on the WhatsApp number of the customer there, and when the admin updates the order status, how the customer will receive the notifications on their WhatsApp number. So for today's demonstration, I'll be using the mobile device itself, and I'll be placing the order through the web store there, and when the notification arrives I'll be showing you the same notification here as well. So here you can see that I've already logged into my account panel, and what I'll be doing is I'll be placing one order. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So I've already added one product into the cart, that's the simple product, and I'll be tapping here on the proceed to checkout button, and we'll be redirected to the checkout there. Here I'll be selecting my shipping address, my shipping method, and tap on the next button. On the estimated total, here you can see the estimated total is there, and I have to select my payment method, and I'll tap here on the place order button. After tapping on the place order button, the order would be completed, and you can see a WhatsApp notification has arrived. Let me open that up. So it's today here. Hi Peter, your order number 194 is in pending state. We'll keep updating you regarding your order status. And another message for the confirmation is there as well. Thank you for your order from the main web store. Once your package ships, we will send you a tracking number as well. So these were the notifications that the customer receives as soon as the customer places the order on the web store there. So let me show you that. This is the order number 194, the same order number, and we have the notification for the order number 194 on the WhatsApp as well, as you can see right now on your screens there. Now what I'll do is I'll just go to the backend there, and I'll be updating the status of the order, and we'll see when the order status is being updated by the admin from the admin backend panel what happens there. So for example, first of all, let's do one thing. Let's set the order status to hold. So what I'll do is I'll go to the backend panel, and I'll be setting it as on hold. So as soon as the order has been put on hold, you can see a notification message again has been received. Hi, your order ID 194 is in holded state. We'll keep updating you regarding your order status. Now when the admin unholds the particular order from the backend, you can see that your order ID 194 is in the pending state, and we'll be keeping you updated regarding your order status. Then when the admin generates the invoice there for the order, at that time as well the update status would be sent out to the WhatsApp number of the customer there. So I've generated the invoice, so you can see that your order ID 194 is in the processing state. We'll keep you updating you regarding your order status there. And then when the admin ships, basically creates the shipment from the admin backend panel. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just creating the shipment from the admin backend panel. At that time as well, the order notification would be sent out to the customer's WhatsApp number there. So you can see now we have received your order ID 194 is in the complete state. We will keep updating you regarding your order status. So that's how the Magento 2 WhatsApp order notification plugin allows the admin to offer customers the functionality to get notified through the WhatsApp. the customers will receive a message for the order confirmation and the order status update on their WhatsApp number. Even if the admin is canceling the order at that time as well, the customer will receive one notification. So for example, let's refresh this particular order here that we had placed. You can see it's in the complete state now. Let's tap here on the reorder. So we'll see at the time of cancellation what message does the customer receive. So I'll be selecting next here, and I'll be placing the order thereafter. In the meantime, I'll just go to the backend panel. So here you can see that on the order place we have received that your order is in the pending state. The order number is 195. So if the admin cancels the particular order from the admin backend panel, let's see what happens thereafter. So you can see that your order ID 195 is in the cancelled state, and we will keep updating you regarding your order status. So the order has been cancelled and the particular WhatsApp order notification has been sent out to the customer on his WhatsApp number there. So that's how the customers will receive a notification on their WhatsApp number for their order confirmation. The shoppers will also get notified of the order status updates like cancel, hold, pending and complete. And this will allow the admin to offer customers the functionality to get notified through the WhatsApp, and the customers will basically receive a message for the order confirmation and the order status update on their WhatsApp number there. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin. That's the Magento 2 WhatsApp order notification plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. And here as well you can see that the particular order 195 has been cancelled, and we also have received the WhatsApp notification as well for the cancellation there. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.